Well, here we go again. Welcome back to the channel. My name is David Hughes Jr. and in today's video, we will be talking about AMC stock. We will be talking about what is going on and why you need to pay attention to the moves that are going on behind the scenes. All right, but before we get into the video, make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, man. We're on the way to 400 subscribers, so help your boy out. Also, make sure you like this video. It's free and it helps the channel out as well, and comment down below in the comment section so we can have further conversations about AMC stock and what is going on. All right, so the first thing I want to talk about is what is going on. Why is the stock going down? They're trying to put fear in your heart. They're trying to put fear in your heart, man. So you want to pay attention to exactly what is going on. I want to read out a couple of things for you so I can put this into perspective for you guys. All right, let's check this out, man. This article right here from the Investor Place. AMC Entertainment short flow is around 23%. That will hurt bears. The paper loss is only temporary, so long as short sellers do not buy the stock to cover. Bears only need to embrace the temporary losses. If speculators lock in profit, then the stock will start to drop. Board members are another bear catalyst for AMC. Last week, 5 directors sold less than half of their AMC shares. So they're not selling off right now. They have not budged yet, but we got to keep applying pressure. However, some people are starting to take the profit. Some people are starting to take their profit. And I have no problem with people taking a profit. I just want you to know that this thing is not done. We still have a lot of potential to grow. We can see $100, $200, $300, $300. But we need to get past the resistance levels that we are seeing, okay? And the number you see may not be the number that is actually there, okay? Right now, AMC, when I look at the beginning of this recording, it was around $54. However, I'm gonna look at it again at the end, but I just want you to know that number that you're seeing may not be the true number or what exactly is going on. But I want to show you guys what they're trying to do. They're trying to manipulate everything, put fear in your heart, especially for somebody who has not been used to things going up and down, up and down. As somebody who invests in crypto, this is nothing. This is nothing. Things like this happen all the time, but this is going a little bit higher than even some cryptos have been going, which is crazy, man. This thing is crazy. So let's continue to look. I want to show you guys some articles and show you what they've been trying to do for weeks, man. Not just right now. They're not just been trying to stop this thing right now. They've been doing this for weeks, man. So let's look at some of these articles right here. Boom. First one. Forget AMC stock. Is the business worth owning? Boom. Forget AMC and Dogecoin. Boom, forget AMC. Look, I'm telling you, these guys are doing their best to try to make this thing not happen. They're trying to put the brakes. They're trying to make everything go wrong here. They're trying to make sure that this thing does not take off, because we have not taken off yet. If you believe that we've taken off yet, you was not paying attention to the GameStop thing that happened a couple months ago, all right? And this could potentially be even higher than that, all right? This could potentially be even higher than that. So you have to keep that in mind. All these companies, all these big corporations are trying to get us to sell this thing off, make this thing not happen, so the bigger corporations can get their bets and make their profit back. All right, so just keep that in mind, that all these articles you see, they're trying to play with this. They're trying to play with this. Don't let them get in here. Don't let them get in here, okay? Remember that, all right? So let's go to another article on what is going on. Another article, because people are starting to realize that things behind the scene are happening, and all the stuff that we're seeing right now is not exactly what is true, what is going on, okay? And so let's look at this, man. This is an article right here, and it says the prices of so-called meme stock may be distorted because the majority of trades in those names are executed away from public exchanges where share price formation occurs, all right? The head of the New York Stock Exchange said on Wednesday, all right? So what does that mean? You have what we call a dark pool, all right? The dark pool is where people with a lot of money, people with a lot of connections, these big corporations, what they do? They trade, all right? They make sales and they make buys. They do all this different stuff, all right? And we don't have access to that. So we don't know exactly what's going on. We can kind of make assumptions. We can kind of see. We can do our little bit detailed analysis and stuff like that. But we have no idea what these guys are doing behind the scenes. But I'm going to tell you one thing. They have their own pockets in mind, all right? And so they're thinking about their pockets. They're making moves to try to stop this thing from happening as well. All these things are connected. Everything that is going on right now is connected. It's a it's an effect. It's going down and down and down. The media pushes out the news, try to get you to sell. And what they doing? They doubling down on their bets. They doubling down on their bets because they're banking that we see the price go down a little bit, and we'll continue to sell it off. And eventually, what happens? They make their profit back, they make their money back, and they recover what they're trying to do, all right? And so just keep that in mind. Now let's continue on this article right here. It says, in some of the meme stocks that we've seen, or stocks that have high level of retail participation, AMC, the vast majority of order flow can trade off of exchanges, which is problematic. It's problematic for us. But guess what? If you holding, you're not worried about it. You know what's going on if you're up to date. The problem is a lot of people don't know exactly what's going on. A lot of people don't do the research behind to actually see what is going on. And so what happens when they see it, they're losing their money, they're going to hit the sell button. Boom, it's gone. All right. And then that trickles down. It's an effect. Cause and effect. All right. And it says right here, the price formation is not really reflective of what supply and demand is. All right. So just keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind on what is going on. You know what I'm saying? So if we continue to look on other news on what is going on with AMC stock, I just want to show you guys a screenshot that I found. All right. So Ortex right here gives signal for a buy for the coming short squeeze in the next 2 days. So it's very important for us to have great progress in these next 2 days, man. So keep that in mind. All right. And so with that being said, the last thing I want to do is currently look at the price for AMC. What is going on right now with AMC? So let's look at the price for AMC. Last time I looked, like I said, it was at $55. So it was at $54 in the pre-market. Yep. Again, here we go again. It's at $54.15 in the pre-markets, man. And so we could potentially see this thing, in my opinion, go down some more. But you just never know. You never know. Right now we're at $54.20. And it just continues to go up and down, up and down. This thing almost looks like cryptocurrency, man. And so with that being said, a couple of weeks ago or a couple of days ago, we did go back down to the 40s. Then we bounced back up to the 60s. All right. So remember that. People who are selling off, some of them are selling off some of their profit. And guess what? They're buying it back in when they go back down to like 40. So everybody has different things going on, different agendas, different plans, different methods for how they're going to enter this thing and exit this thing. Okay. And so just keep that in mind, that what you see right now may not be exactly true. That's the whole purpose of this video, to kind of give you guys a message, to tell you guys what exactly is going on. All right. And so as more information comes out, I do my best to try to dig and find what exactly is going on. But remember those dark pools, we cannot get into them. Remember that this price that you see may not be the actual price of what is going on right now. So I want to know what you guys think about AMC stock. What are you planning on doing right now? Are you going to sell it off? Are you going to sell off? Are you going to buy back in? Or are you going to just hold the line? What are you going to do, man? I want to know exactly your thoughts down below in the comment section so we can have further conversation on what is going on today. However, with that being said, man, I hope that you guys have a fantastic morning. Have a fantastic day. Continue to do great things out here and continue to live in your purpose, man. Continue to grind, continue to shine. My name is David Hughes Jr. and I'm out.